Aloha guys, good morning. This is Scuba Chris. I'm up here on the beautiful north shore of Oahu. So I'm going to be trying out again my surf rod. This is the 13-foot Hawaii Custom Series surf rod. All right, this is the one that John Bretza, product developer of Okuma, has agreed to work with me on. And when it came out, I just love this thing. I mean, this is the 13 foot, but look how compact it is because it's 3 pieces, right? This is quickly made out of 30-ton carbon blanks. It's a three-piece blank configuration, as you notice. It's custom carbon fiber pipe. It has a Fuji reel seat hood. All right, and these have Fuji 3-legged deep press low rider guide frames, which is right here. And this is what gives it a special ability to throw either conventionals or spinners, is because of the low rider guide frames. And there's a counterbalance weight in the butt, so you can depending on your strength, your size, height, everything, it's going to help you throw longer and better. See that? Look, it's all segmented. So that's part of what you're going to get. Okay, it's also going to have the EVA cross grip above and below the reel seat. So when your hands are wet, it's pretty easy to hold, all right? It also has the, right here, the nice rear grip over here is ergonomic EVA, so when your hands are wet, it's going to be easier for you to grip and throw it. Now this comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which means is that for the life of the rod, if anything naturally breaks down, you just contact Okuma and you have to pay to ship it back, but they'll send you either a new one or repair it. What I don't have with me today is the padded case. It comes with a free padded case, which I think is a real good deal. Now this is the 13-footer, 13.3. It takes 20 to 50 pound test line. Weight-wise, you can throw 120 to 250 grams. 5+1 guide, meaning 5 guides in 1 tip. It is an extra heavy rating, and it only weighs 18.8 ounces. Now, what it doesn't tell you on the website is that you do get the free padded case. I don't have it here. And above each ferrule connection, see, look at this right here. You see it right here, here. It's a sandpaper grip. So when your hands are wet and you try to grip your pieces to separate them, you get a better grip. That's not in the description, but that was something that was added on. Now that other one was the 13.3. This is the 14, the 14.2. Look at that. This is a monster of a rod. It's pretty much the same stats. It'll take 20 to 50 pound test line, 120 to 250 gram weight. But this one has 6+1, not 5. This is 6+1 because it's longer, so you're gonna have an extra guide on it. All right. It's also extra heavy, and the weight of this one is slightly heavier at 20.6 ounces. Now the MSRP on this one, because it's long one, is $319.99, and on the 13.3 it's $299.99. Okay, what I chose as reels. Now you can go conventional or spinners, but I like my spinners. These are the brand new Cedros. These are the new Cedro spinning reels. So on the 13-footer, which this one is, I'm using the CJ 10,000. On the other one, the 14-footer, I'm using the CJ 14,000. On this one here, the 10,000 is 5.1. It is it's 44.1 inches a crank, and its max rating is 44 pounds. And on the other one, on the CJ 1400, it's pretty much the same thing. It's going to be a 5.4 gear ratio, and it's going to be 45.8 inches instead of 44.1 per turn. Also 44 pound max drag. This one here, I love these reels for casting. This one here, it's really, to me, it's really lightweight. I can horse in almost anything with it. Okay. This is the DFD, the dual force drag system, which means you got a bunch of drag washers on one end and a washer on the other, so it's sandwiched in between. It's 6+1, so you get 6 high performance bearings to 1 roller bearing, which are corrosion resistant stainless steel bearings, by the way. Is dual anti-reverse, manual bail trip. All right. It also has a hydro block. It's the way that it seals the water from entering the reel. Now, of course, you're going to immerse it in the water; it'll get in. But this is just basic spray and rain. All right. This one here has a 1-year limited warranty, and it's a good match with these rods. But you can use whatever you want.
Okay guys, one of the things I do, I guess you call it pro tip, these go into the ferrule connection. So what I do is I spray it down with water first, and that way it's easier for it to come off when I'm done at the end of the day. Okay, the first thing I do when I get to my spot is I get a bucket of water, because I need to defrost my bait and also to clean my hands.